Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Are you new to Islam, or just beginning to understand the beauty of dua? In this video, we'll explore what dua is, why it's so important, and how to make dua properly, even if you're just starting. What is dua? Dua means calling upon Allah. It is a direct, personal conversation with your Creator. It's not just a ritual. Dua is a form of worship, and a way to build a deep emotional connection with Allah. The Prophet Muhammad said, dua is the essence of worship. Why should we make dua? Allah loves it when his servants ask him. Unlike people, Allah never gets tired of our requests. He says in the Quran, call upon me, I will respond to you. Surah Ghafir, 42:60. Through dua, we show our dependence, our hope, and our trust in Allah. How to make dua step by step. Start with praise and salawat. Begin by praising Allah like Alhamdulillah, and sending blessings on Prophet Muhammad. Closing parenthesis. Raise your hands. The Prophet Muhammad often raised his hands while making dua. Face the Qibla, if possible. This is recommended, though not necessary. Speak from the heart. Use Arabic or your own language. Be sincere. Ask for the dunya and akhirat. Don't only ask for worldly needs. Ask for Jannah, forgiveness, guidance, and protection. Have yaqeen, certainty. Believe that Allah hears you and will respond in the best way. Repeat your du'as. The Prophet Muhammad used to repeat his du'as 3 times. End with praise and salawat. Again, tips for beginners. Make dua regularly, not just in times of hardship. Don't rush. Allah responds in his perfect timing. Keep it simple. You don't need fancy words. Dua is for everyone, even if you just embraced Islam. Your dua is powerful. Dua is your spiritual lifeline. Start small, but be sincere. May Allah accept all your du'as. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic guidance. Jazakum Allahu